Hello everyone, I am here with a complete data structure tutorials for the beginners and also for those who want to learn all about the concept of data structures. So, in whole tutorials you will cover a lot of concept all about data structure. But before moving to the tutorials, what are the prerequisites? You must have the all knowledge all about this. You must have knowledge about problem solving skills in C programming and also very good knowledge of C programming. If you don't have, don't worry, I will come here with another tutorials on the C programming. You can learn from that tutorials also. And what I am going to include in whole tutorials and which has been listed here. You can see here link list and stacks, quiz and many more etc. So I will cover whole topics in my tutorial. Objective of this course is to understand, implement, use, perform different operation and variety of different data structures like arrays, quiz, and linked lists, etc. After watching the whole tutorials, you will be able to understand the basic concept of all the types of data structures, and also we will analyze the performance of the code which has been written for a particular type of data structure. Like if you are going to solve a problem by array and you are going to solve the same problem by linked list, then what will be difference in the performance of the both code? So now here the topic data structure. What is the data structure? Actually, we have lots of data and information which is going to be stored in our computer system. So basically, data structure is a particular way of storing and organizing information in a computer so that it can be retrieved and used most productively by the user. So data structure is nothing but all about the overall management of the information or data which is going to be stored in the computer in a well-defined and efficient manner. So a data structure is a scheme for organizing the data in the memory of a computer or any system in which you are capable of storing the information in the memory. Structure means structure. What structure does? Structure actually binds the set of rules and which binds the data together, and that data can be utilized by the user or the client further in the future. Now, what the efficient solution? A solution is said to be efficient if it solves the problem within its resources constraints. The data structures takes two constraints most effectively. First one is the space. Space means that if you are going to solve a problem by using data structure, that in which system you are going to solve, it takes some space like memory or register. Then this is called space. And second is time. I mean, how much time the data structure takes to for solving the problem. Less time, very good, very efficient solution of that problem, and much more time, very bad solution of that problem. And the cost of solution is the amount of resources that the solution consumes. Means that the cost of solution means that for solving the problems we are going to utilize the resources like CPU and memory register, etc. So the cost of solution is the amount of resources that you are going to utilize for giving the solution, and that the solution consumes. So thanks for watching and see the next tutorial. I will come up with another concept of the data structure. You will learn all about that.